So what actually happens to the carbs when we eat something like cake? Once we swallow a piece of cake, it's partially broken down by chewing and enzymes in the saliva. Once it hits the stomach, things really start to kick in. Enzymes, stomach acid, and good old-fashioned churning all team up to break the cake into its components. Things like fats, proteins, and the focus of this video, carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates in cake are a combination of starches and simple sugars, which get partially broken down in the stomach. From there, they travel to the small intestine, and at this point, those partially broken down starches break down even further, all the way into their simplest building blocks, like glucose. At this stage, these glucose molecules can be transported into the bloodstream. Now, glucose is the main fuel for cells, powering everything from muscle contractions to brain function. But when there's too much glucose in the bloodstream, things can go south, and we definitely don't want that. So what happens next? When there's elevated glucose in the bloodstream, what happens to it? White bread or sourdough? Is there a difference? What if we eat vegetables and proteins before carbs? Could that make a difference in our blood sugar levels? There's so much more to explore, and in the next few videos, we'll dive deeper into how different foods and eating habits can impact blood sugar.